The other day I was walking along a path and I saw this, a 1 penny coin minted in 1999. It is possible that I was the first person to see it, but I think it's more likely that many people saw it, but they chose to leave it be. 1 penny isn't even worth picking up due to inflation, since it's lost roughly half its value since it was minted. But it did get me thinking, was there ever a time in ancient Rome when coins were as worthless as this penny? The answer is yes. These tiny coins held barely any value when they circulated in the Roman Empire, specifically Roman Britain. They're known today as minimi, literally meaning the smallest, and they circulated in the AD 270s for about 10 years. These coins were not official issues from the Roman authorities, but rather local imitations. They could be made by punching a larger official coin and then struck between two dies, impressing the new design. This would make 3 or 4 minimi to one regular coin. Alternatively, little flans of copper could be manufactured by cutting a copper rod with a diameter of around about 10 millimeters, and then struck again between the two dies. So these coins individually had a pitifully low value, used for extremely small transactions like buying a singular small egg, for example. It's more likely though that they held a token value, acting more like small change rather than an actual means of exchange, a bit like trade tokens in the 17th century. Interestingly, these minimi show up often on temple and shrine sites, suggesting they had a function as a votive offering, a bit like people in modern times throwing small change into wishing wells. This experiment in extremely small change didn't last long, however. When Roman authorities started minting more valuable coinage once again, these minimi were driven out of circulation.